Angela and welcome to my tutorial. If you don't know who I am, I'm a pole dancer and an instructor. I post pole content here on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So in this tutorial today, I'm going to do a deep dive on one of my favorite low flow moves. This is a transitional move that'll help you get from standing to the floor in a flowy way. I use this move all the time, and in this video, I'm going to show you multiple progressions of the move and also ways to exit out of it. As always, be sure to warm up first. Knee pads and heels are recommended, but heels aren't required. And that's it. If you have any questions or requests, leave them in the comments, and I hope you enjoy the video. All right, we're going to learn the first progression of this move, and we need to get into a lunge. So I'm going to have my right hand up, grabbing the pole, my left hand pointer finger down, grabbing the pole behind me. I'm going to have my right knee bent and my left leg back, sinking into this lunge. So your right knee is micro bent, your left leg is extended, and if you can, try to wrap your upper body around the pole. From here, I'm going to pick up my right knee, pivoting on my left toe box. I'm going to turn towards my armpit and I'm going to turn my body. From here, with my right knee up, still pressing into my left toe box, I'm going to complete my turn, take my left hand to grab the pole, and use that left toe to guide me down. One key point I always make when I teach this move is to really think about that back extended leg. That toe is going to stay planted and glued to the floor as much as you can, okay? So in my lunge, this toe is going to stay planted to the floor. And as I pick up my right knee, I'm going to keep that toe planted. I'm not going to lift it up. And as I keep turning, I'm going to reach. I'm going to let this left toe lower me down. Aesthetically, I prefer this look over lifting up that toe, and let me show you the difference. And if you want to try this on your other side, you're going to have your left hand up, right hand pointer finger down, left knee bent. Okay, now I'm going to show you one way to amplify this move. So in your lunge, instead of just pulling your right knee up like this, what you can do is kick your right leg forward, pull, and complete your turn around. So just adding that one little kick at the beginning. For our second progression, instead of landing both knees down at the end, we're going to land our left knee and straighten out our right leg. Back in our lunge shape, we can kick that leg forward, turn. From here, as you take your left hand off the pole, you're going to grab thumb up. You're going to start to bend the left knee down, straighten out the right leg, and lower down. From here, you can plant your left palm down, swipe the right leg, maybe bend, turn for a little kick. I forgot to narrate this part when I was recording, but another option you can do is to swipe the front leg and then tuck it back so you're in a seat. For the very last version of this move, we're going to add an extra turn at the end, so we end up with our right knee down, left foot planted. Getting back into my lunge, I'm going to kick, turn. From here, as I start to lift off my left hand, I'm going to keep turning and pivoting on my left toe so I can take my right knee down behind the pole, planting my left foot in front. All right, let's do that again. turn, keep pivoting, adding one extra turn, grabbing the pole, sliding that right knee back. So you're in this lunge shape, or I suppose it's also called a Captain Morgan shape, but you don't want to be in a 90-degree angle. You want to be leaning on your left toe box, your knee is down, pressing your hips down into the floor. From here, you can play with all different types of exits. I personally like to go into a full split. You can also do a fake split if you like, but how I do that is after I landed in the shape, the pole is resting on my bicep. I'm going to reach my right hand up, and as I pull up, I'm going to slide my right leg. I'm going to kick over into my full split, turn onto my belly, and push back up. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be useful and you're able to take something out of it for your own flows or routines. Be sure to tag me in any videos, Angela Ariel, on all platforms, and I'll see you in the next video.